What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. And for today's video, as you can see in the title, I am going to be doing a room transformation. For this video, it's kind of going to be like a Hollywood Regency, French boudoir, Scandinavian kind of transformation. It's like a little bit of all of those elements. And I am so excited to film this video because I already know that my room is gonna look so good. So if you want to see this transformation, just keep watching. So basically I'm gonna start off with taking out this giant bed out of my room because it's taking up a lot of room. This is what my bed looks like. It is super cute, I really like it, but it's way too big for my room, so I need to get rid of it, and I found the perfect bed frame for that. This is what my room looks like currently. Don't mind that mess over there because that's like a bunch of stuff that I'm going to be decoring my room with. Wish me luck, you guys.
One eternity later.
Alright, now that the bed is done and ready, it looks so nice, so much better than my other one. Now we are going to kind of start the decorating process. I bought a bunch of old vintage trinkets and items that I want to spray paint gold and pretty much just paint them. I'm gonna do that and then I'll get back to you. Probably next time you see me is me actually decorating and putting everything together. I grabbed some paint brushes, some gold paint, and some white paint, and I'm just gonna paint these onlays. So now as those dry, I'm going to put some of the other decor up, starting with these cute little candle holders. I wanted something to tie everything in on the vanity because my vanity is white and not gold. I thought these would be perfect to tie the whole look in. Time to put some candles in there. Candles are on now, so now we're gonna get some more decor and put up. So I have these cute little cherub figurine wall things, so I'm gonna stick these on the walls. This is what they look like with the candles. Looks so cute. Alright, so I've cleared this area off so far. This has a lid usually, but we spray painted it as you guys saw earlier. Also, my perfumes, the container that usually holds it, is also drying, and now we're just gonna kind of decorate this area. let this guy dry. We're gonna put him up on the wall. I think right about here. There. Has been about like a week since I filmed the first part of this video, so with that being said, everything is pretty much done and complete to how I like it, and I'm so excited to show you guys the results and how it turned out. It looks so good. I'm so happy. You can see a little bit of it behind me. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. So that is my white wall. There, as you can see down here, I put my couch. I added a matching pillow with a cute little beige blanket to tie in the whole look with the carpet on the ground. Here I painted my plant holder gold. I just had these set up better. I took out some books that weren't with the color scheme. There's that, and here is my vanity. I love exactly how it looks with the gold frame that I spray painted, the onleys on the side to make it look more, I guess, vintage, with the gold angels and then the gold candles to tie everything in. And I spray painted that gold as well. And you see how cute those candles look with it. It just ties everything in. The whole look just looks so good. And I just left those the same. In this corner, I have these pictures that I printed off of Amazon, and there is the angel that I painted. Here I have some brush holders that are shaped like a body. I absolutely love them. I spray painted that gold, and I got a body candle to tie the whole look in. And this corner is my favorite corner. Look how it looks. Just so cute. I added an incense holder, just a gold necklace to tie in the look. I painted that white so it could match the whole aesthetic. Spray painted this gold. Got this statue, this beautiful body candle here, and spray painted this gold as well to tie in the whole color scheme. That's gold as well. Here are the onlays that I painted white. I added them to the dresser. Here's just a plant that I've had for a while, just kind of put in that corner there to tie everything in. There are some more pots that I spray painted and painted. There is my tapestry. I've had this for a while. It ties in with the whole scheme, so I just left it. Here is my bed. I absolutely love it. I finally set up the bed frame, added the nice silk sheets. They're champagne. I got them from Amazon. And then here, I love how these turned out. I spray painted them gold and painted them white from the color they were before, and they just look so good. Like, they just tie everything in with the side of the room, and I absolutely love how it turned out. I put the outlays on that picture to make it look more vintage. Here on my bed frame, I have some twinkle lights that I added. I removed the LED strip lights and I put them around the picture frame instead. This corner, I absolutely love how it turned out. I got this gold catch-all dish from Amazon to tie in that gold color scheme that is in my room. Here I have my kind of wireless phone charger. It's just so cute. I got milk and honey under there to tie it in. I got this water bottle to make sure I drink lots of water, and the purple one I had before wasn't matching the theme, so I changed it. Here is my heater. There's some remotes. This is a kind of crystal, amethyst crystal pyramid thing that's supposed to kind of ward off bad EMFs from your technology. So I just have it there on my table. Here I have a white planter. There is my crystal, selenite crystal, and my diffuser. I absolutely love this diffuser. It's so cute. There's my air cleaner. Here is my pampas plant. I absolutely love how it ties everything in. I put it in a wine glass. There is my kind of gold tray that everything sits on to tie it all in. And yeah, I just have this gold frame there too. Super cute. And it all just ties in. It looks so cute. It makes me feel so good to be in my room now. Alright guys, that's basically the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see that in-depth room tour, let me know. Comment below, like this video, and I will do that for you guys. Thank you so much for watching if you are still here. And if you are still here, let me know what's your favorite kind of room aesthetic in the comments down below. And you guys can have a little conversation down there. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!